Are you ready to break into finance but not sure where to start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, we're diving into the best entry-level finance jobs, the roles that pay well, offer strong career growth, and set you up for long-term success. Before we begin, download our free finance career path guide below to explore different finance roles and what they involve. All right. First on our list is Financial Analyst, one of the most popular starting careers for anyone looking to break into finance. So, what does a financial analyst actually do? At its core, this job is all about turning raw financial data into actionable insights. Be prepared to spend a lot of time working with spreadsheets, creating reports, and building financial models that predict how a company, or even an entire industry, will perform in the future. Financial analysts also evaluate investment opportunities, assess risks, and help businesses optimize their budgets to maximize profits. To land this role, you typically need a bachelor's degree in finance, accounting, or economics. Employers love candidates with a solid grasp of Excel and financial modeling. And while certifications aren't always required, passing the CFA Level 1 exam can definitely give you an edge over other applicants. Now, let's talk numbers. On average, entry-level financial analysts earn between $64,000 and $75,000 per year, but this can vary depending on location and industry. The best part? This role offers amazing career growth. Many financial analysts become senior analysts, finance managers, or even portfolio managers and CFOs later in their careers. All right. Now, if you're looking for a high-paying, fast-paced finance job straight out of college, investment banking analyst might be the perfect fit for you. This role is known for its intense workload, but also for its huge earning potential. So, what does an investment banking analyst actually do? They play a role in major financial transactions, including mergers and acquisitions, IPOs, and capital raising efforts. Their work involves building complex financial models, analyzing market trends, and preparing reports that guide high-stakes business decisions. A significant part of their day is spent fine-tuning PowerPoint pitch decks and Excel spreadsheets before presenting to executives and investors. To break into investment banking, a finance, economics, or business degree is key, along with strong financial modeling skills. It's a highly competitive field, so a high GPA, internships, and networking are key. Investment banking analysts typically start with the base salary of around $85,000 to $100,000 per year, but the real money comes from bonuses. With bonuses included, first-year analysts can make well over $150,000. Of course, that comes with long hours. Think 70 to 100-hour work weeks. And the career path? It's one of the best in finance. After a few years as an analyst, you can move up to associate, then vice president, and eventually director or managing director. Some analysts also transition into private equity, hedge funds, or corporate finance roles that offer better work-life balance. All right, moving on to accountants. Unlike investment banking, this job offers a much better work-life balance while still providing solid career growth opportunities. So, what does an accountant actually do? Their main job is to record, analyze, and maintain financial records to ensure a company's finances are accurate and compliant with regulations. This includes preparing financial statements, tracking expenses and revenue, and sometimes even handling tax filings. To land a role as an accountant, you'll typically need a bachelor's degree in accounting or finance. While entry-level roles don't always require a certification, many professionals choose to earn their Certified Public Accountant (CPA) license down the road, which can open up higher-paying roles in leadership positions. An entry-level accountant earns around $60,000 to $65,000 per year, depending on the industry and location. Career growth is also strong. Many accountants move up to senior accountant, accounting manager, or even CFO roles over time, which offer higher pay. Now, moving on to credit analyst. As a credit analyst, you evaluate financial data to assess a borrower's creditworthiness, helping lenders decide on loans and credit limits by analyzing risk factors like income, debt, and repayment history. To get started as a credit analyst, you'll typically need a bachelor's degree in finance, accounting, or economics. Employers look for candidates with strong analytical and problem-solving skills, proficiency in Excel, and financial modeling. While it's not required, some professionals pursue certifications like the Credit Risk Certification (CRC) to boost their career prospects. Entry-level credit analysts earn around $60,000 to $70,000 per year. As for career growth, you can move into senior credit analyst roles, become a credit risk manager, or even transition into investment roles in banking or asset management. And finally, we have financial advisors. This job is more about building relationships and guiding clients rather than analyzing financial data behind the scenes. So, what does a financial advisor actually do? Financial advisors help people make smart money decisions. They guide clients on saving, investing, and planning for big goals like retirement or buying a home. They also help with insurance, taxes, and protecting wealth to make sure their clients feel financially secure. Now, this role is different from others because it often requires building your own client base. Some financial advisors work at banks or wealth management firms, but many start out by networking and attracting their own clients. So having strong interpersonal and sales skills is just as important as financial knowledge. To become a financial advisor, you'll typically need a bachelor's degree in finance, economics, or business. More importantly, financial advisors need to obtain the Series 7 and Series 66 licenses to legally offer investment advice in the U.S. Many advisors also work toward the highly respected Certified Financial Planner (CFP) designation. Entry-level financial advisors often start with the base salary of around $50,000 to $60,000, but many work on commission-based or fee-based compensation structures. Their income grows as they build a larger client base. Experienced advisors can easily make six figures, and top performers earn well over $250,000 per year. Which role interests you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more finance career tips. For those seeking to build a solid finance career, subscribe to our 365 Financial Analyst platform. Stay tuned.